To understand the basics of English grammar, let's know about the persons. How many types of persons are there in English grammar? In grammar, a person is the way of referring to someone taking part in action or event, which simply means any action that is taken place includes three persons at a time. So there are three persons in English grammar. Let's see one by one. First person, second person, and third person. So there are three persons in English grammar. First person, the person who is talking. Any action that starts with first person, and that is I. So we can say I is the first person. Second person, the person who is hearing me or the person who is talked to. For example, you. Okay, so talk is started by one person, that is first person, and the person who is hearing, he is the second person. Now third person, the person being talked about. So any person who is referred as or about whom we are talking, he is the third person. For example, he or she. Just look in the image, you can see first person, the singular is I, and the plural of the I is we. Second person, singular is you, and plural is again you. Third person, singular he, she, and plural is they.